Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Hey guys, come for the trading but stay for the fun. I hope you're doing well. Give me a second here. All right, guys. Put some. Hello, Maxi. Hello, Moogle War. Hello, Angel. Hello, Leon. Hello, Cool. Hello, M7. Hope you're doing well. Guys, we took out a massive level here. 4,760 and 4,770. So, the only thing I can think of for cells would be to fill the fair value gap. Around 4,800, where we have the next EMA, and then the 4,868. I don't really see how we can get into buys from here. It will be gambling just to get in for a buy here. So buys need to come down into this 4-hour fair value gap. So I'm more interested in sells, even though this looks crazy. I have no idea what's going on with gold. We have tapped into my trend line. We are tapped into my diagonal pattern. Tapped into my triangle formation here. If you were on Twitch yesterday, you would have gotten in for the buys up. So that's amazing. And I hope you're holding some buys as well. But yeah, we're in my sell zone, and from here it could just go down. It could just crash. We keep going higher, so I don't really know where we can get in for buys, to be honest. Hello, Naro. Hello, Captain. Are we doing well, guys? So I'm looking for the potential fill of this fair value gap, and then sell it down. How you doing? Hello, Naro. I'm doing well. Just waiting here to see if we can get this massive sell. Maybe because they are waiting on Trump's speech on the war tonight. Yeah, but it shouldn't drive gold past the futures level. We are at 4,800 now, like. Almost really have the 50%. Okay.
Get shit on,
Guys,
brother.
just give me some time. Give me some time. Time. Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Here at the 0.618. Like. Oh, yeah. Phoenix, hello. Nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. Are you trading live? Yes, I am trading live, my friend. I am trading live. I am trading live with you. Right here, right now. Can I keep up with your pace? I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can. I'm sure you can. I will tell you when to sell, and then you will get in for a sell, and then I will tell you the stop loss, and I will tell you the TP. Hello, hey Arnoldson. How you doing, man? You kept your buys from yesterday, Arnoldson? Did you get the buys from yesterday? We are right about where, like, anything can happen. Literally. Came back up, we tested 4,800. I can't believe it. I can't believe it, but we have almost tested 4,800. If I look at the whole retracement up to the bottom, we're at the 50% here at 590, and from this impulsive leg down, take that one. Well, we are right at the discount zone. 4,802 would be the 78% in vanity. I can't believe the gold went from 4,100 to 4,800 in matter of 1 week. In 1 week. 1 freaking week. So my levels here. Okay. We gotta wait, guys. We gotta wait. But I had to close it, unfortunately. Only made $700. Yeah. We're almost there, guys. It's I can't believe we took out the 50 and 60 level. Sorry if I'm a little bit baffled about this, but I cannot believe we took out the 50 and 60 level. The next one is 800, and then you would be at my trend line. If we break this, going back up to all-time high, or 5,000 or 5,200 or 5,600, pretty crazy, pretty crazy. But we tap 4,800. We did tap it. We are here, like literally. We are talking about 200, 300 pips, either down here or just 200, 300 pips here. Guys, I'm gonna have a tight sell stop here, with stop loss just above here. If it continues up, it's just a continuation up to my sell here. But I'm gonna have a sell stop, okay? So if you come down and we break 60, then we're gonna be in the sell, okay? So if it continues up, we're just gonna delete this, okay? We're just gonna delete. All right, we're gonna continue up. Gonna delete this. No trades for now. Hello, 00. Hello, even. Did some of you make some good money on the trades yesterday from Twitch Live? Gold is crazy. Yeah, I can't believe it broke the 50 level and the 60 level, bro. I simply can't believe it. I thought the top would be 30. 30, 50, 60, 70 max, right? But here we are. We took out 70 as well. So the only level I have left before we get up to all-time high is 800. 800. Like, if we take this out, like, we're gonna test 5,000, you know? Like, it went straight past the 50 level. We only got the 0.618 level on the higher time frame left, which is here at 4,800. That's it. Telling you guys, if you take out 4,800, 4,900, then we're going to 5,000, 5,200, 5,600 to test it. Okay. This is the last chance for us to go down. We already hit a stop loss in VIP. I am really baffled about this. Did not expect it. Yo, what's up, babits? 4,800. Yeah, 4,800. That's the last one. That's my... that would take futures to 4,840. Stuff. That would take futures to 4,840. And this is where you have my trend line. So it's okay to come up and... It's okay to come up and sweep this and come down again. But if we go above this... I mean... retest of 5,200, 5,000. All-time high it is. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Can't believe it. Then 4,100 was the bottom. Hydrate, you've been long on streams. Yeah, I need something to drink. But let's see if we can get this entry first. December 22nd was the low. December 22nd. That did not just happen. That did not just happen. What just happened? Yo, March 26 was the low. March 26 was the low. Wow, it's only like, guys, it's 5 days ago. No, that's impossible. Can be. That's 23, not 26, sorry, 23. March 23, it's 8 days ago. 8 days ago. March 23, 8 days ago. Okay, guys, we're coming up here. Coming up here. I think we'll tap 4,865. You think so? Still swept this high. When you stop sweeping the high, guys, then you will start to get lower lows and lower highs on the lower time frame. Wait for it. We are very close. We are very close. 92, 87, 95, something like that. You just cannot take out my level. Could not take out my level. Let me just be 100% sure here, okay? Tap.
Get shit on, brother.
Isn't the bias super strong? It is. But look where we are in the higher time frame, bro. Look where we are in the higher time frame. Not about what you see in the lower time frame. It's about what you see in the higher time frame.
Get shit on, brother.
Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow. Nice live stream. Hope you do well. Here, guys. Almost there. One more push. Just tuned in. Do you use indicators? No, just the EMAs. Just the. Just the.
Got good brain, but I'm classless. All these niggas say they want a bad bitch, but they can't really handle what a bad bitch do. All eyes when she walk in the room. Got a bitch looking like who is you?
Tap 76.
Bitch walk a mile in my shoes. Keep a nigga guessing
Taps
like
84. Get a sweep. We should be in. Yeah, DXY is starting to move now. What about oil? Yeah, oil starting to move as well. Last sweep, come on. Last tap. Last tap, last tap, last tap, last tap. Throw it on the floor cause I'm a bad bitch, cabbage. I like a nigga that be cashing. He gon' spend it all cause I ain't average. All I ever wanted was the Okay. We're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
Told him, baby, look, you fucking with a star. I don't wanna take it too far.
One more push. One more push. I cannot get in for buys, bro. We are way too far up. Gambling to just get in for buys here. Still sweeping the highs, so we are not creating lower lows and lower highs on the lower time frame. Hello, I'm here. Hey, Flash, how's it going, man? Did you enjoy some of the buys from yesterday? See if we can repeat success today. Okay, we closed here. So one more high here. Come on. Already just closed bullish here. This candle here, really long and a lot of volume. This one is a little bit shorter. A blow up top here. Hourly haven't closed. We are about to hit my 6 p.m. Hour. In my country it's 5:30 now. So in 30 minutes, 1 hour, we should be at the top. I'm staying up from trading, only funded accounts. Alright. Alright. Okay, can we get a higher high here, or are we getting a higher low here? See? Keep the top here. Okay, 77 here. Okay, 77. Very close now, guys. 78. We're tapping into the major resistance. $100 pips away. We might enter at 90 or 93, but depends on how it's reacting to 86, 87. Get 80 here. 80, 81. But so no lower lows, lower highs yet. Still higher highs, higher lows. Did you are Mensagen in VIP? What? I didn't understand that sentence. Did you see my messages? Your messages. You sent me a message? Where? Where did you send me a message? Yeah, P-Cat. What is your name on Telegram? I'm looking for Fem. I don't see Fem anywhere. Same name, The Flash Alex. The Flash. I only see Alexandre. Is that you? No, your name is Flash, right? I'm in the car, I'm listening. Oh, that's Fem. Oh, Flash. Oh, okay, so you are Alexandre. Okay, okay. I get it, I get it, I get it. Yeah, we gonna get in soon again. Yeah, Alex, we're gonna get in soon again as well. That one just hurt a lot. That one just hurt a lot. $81, guys. coming into the level now. I expected relief rally from last week's price action, but not to this extent, lol. Yeah, me too. Me too. Same. I was also in the clear with the relief rally, but I just thought 4,500 was enough, or 4,730, right? But did not expect 4,780. Not expect 4,700. Okay, let's see. Let's see. First trade of the day, guys. We're almost there. First trade of the day. Which I know you want to get in for buys, but I cannot get you in for buys here. We need a retest for us to get in for buys. Only sells for now. I don't like to see you want to sell. I'm still in the buy from yesterday. 674. I hope it will go up. That's nice for us, Earl. We were also in buys from Twitch stream yesterday. But you are extended now. You are extended now. You tap the 0.5%, 50%, and you also tap the 0.618 level on the lower time frame. You haven't tapped the 0.618 level on the higher time frame. That will be 4,708. 4,890 to 4,870. But I think it's gonna go there, like 4,800. I was already surprised about 30 and 50, but I mean, if it takes out 800, why not go to 5,000, right? No flash, I'm not selling at 4,800. I'm selling at 91. I'm selling at 91, bro. I'm selling at 91. Okay. No, no, no. My sell zone 4,785 to 4,802. All right. Would you? 18 minutes. Do we sell in the red zone? Yes. 91. You can see the entries here. Next. 91. You still think it needs to go to 4,000 before going up? Yeah, I still see 3,500, Oscar. I still see 3,500. We're at the highest zone now, at the 50% and 0.618 level. And the daily fill, and the 4-hour, and the weekly fill, and the 50% full move. So if we break this, we're going to all-time high. If we break 4,800, 4,900, we're going to back to all-time high for 5,200, 5,000. If there's any sellers left in the market, if oil should retest $100, if DXY should retest $100, right? Still at the zone, still trying hard. See, oil still trying hard. Futures still at my zone. See, still at my zone. Here we go. You ready, guys? 86. We're 50 pips away from my entry. 50 pips away from my entry. How many slots hit your stop? What do you mean with slots? What do you mean with slots? You mean lot size or what? Up to 87. 40 pips away from entry. One goldie last push here. Last push. Still a long green candle here, so there's still a little bit fuel left. Lots, no gambling here. Yes, exactly, Captain. Alex, I will answer you. I will answer you and show you and calculate later. Right now, we need to focus here. I lost 30 lots in total, bro. 30 lots. 30 lots. In total, over different positions, not on the same position. But it's still nothing compared to myself from 5,200 down to 4,250. It hurt a lot. It did. Lost a lot of money. But it's still nothing compared to the sell we did from 5,200. Come on, gold. Last push here. Last push. Give me 91. Give me 91. For $400 only mill, you should use 0.01. Because here, for example, this is a 200 pip stop loss. That means 0.01 would be $20 loss if you lose this trade, right? So 0.02 would be $40. $40 on a $400 account is 10%. Not good. Quick math. Okay, guys, come on. Last push. Last push. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Don't let us down. Don't let us down. Final push here. You see it's slowing down now, guys? In 11 minutes, it will be the golden hour where we usually, when we sit on Twitch, we get our pips. It's always like if I go live during the New York session and the stock market open, or an hour after that, we are stuck in consolidation. And then 1 hour before the Twitch stream closes, or the last hour or 30 minutes before, that's when we hit all the pips, right? So if we in 11 minutes can come up here, tap entry, and then come down, then the move is gonna happen. You know, a few hours before the New York session closes, that's usually when gold crashes. That's how it has been for the past few weeks. But let's see. Let's see. Last push. Come on, Goldie. I did fall asleep yesterday on my PC. My oil buy and profit woke up to $180. Now waiting for it to back up 114 now. Still thinking about cutting the position. Still long from 4,580. Trying to hodl it long term. Smart or not. FX, we bought yesterday, yes, but I'm looking for the sells now. I'm closing partially on the buys, but I'm mainly focusing on sells now. And if it takes out 4,800, 4,900, then I'm looking for all-time highs, and then I'm just keeping my buys. If people want to trade with 0.01, just don't trade. You will always lose unless you're a pro scalper. You think about partial or what? Okay, guys, we're so close. We're so close. Give me my 91. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Cap 78. We were 30 pips away from entry. 30 pips away from entry. We're losing volume here, guys. Oh, we need to wait for the next hourly. 9 minutes. 9 minutes. There goes the camera. 2 seconds. Goldie. Last pop. Last pop. 8 minutes. DXY starting to find some support here. Ball starting to go a little bit up. Last pop. Last pop. Can you repeat what you said about the golden hour? Yes. So for the past few streams where we have been live, nothing has happened during the stock market and New York session. I mean, not nothing has happened, because if you are in buys, you will make a lot of money, right? But always when we are in the trades, when we are in the sales, when we have been in the sales on the Twitch stream or in the buys during the Twitch stream, we have not made anything in the consolidation from the stock market open until 1-2 hours into the stream. Today I went live very late, so that means we are actually here at the end where I normally would log off and I will say thank you for today. And this is where in 7 minutes that I've seen for the past few weeks that gold tends to crash a few hours before the session closes, the New York session closes, if it has been bullish on London and New York session. So if both London and New York session has been bullish, usually the few hours before the New York session closes, it crashes or it at least get a retest, right? Yeah, that's what I have seen. That's what I have experienced. But it could also happen during Asia, of course. Let's see, 88. We are so close. I just want like 30 pips here. I just want 30 pips. Come on.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, David Gamer. Yes, then we miss all the good trades, lol. Yep, exactly. Just the last pop here, guys. Last pop. Last pop. Come on. 91, 93, 95, 97. We're not gonna miss it. First time here. Hello, Veno. Is the fib your layers? Yes, that's my layers. Entry just below here, just in case it comes up, taps it, and then spread happens. Or so my broker doesn't take the trade. Then I entered right before 50%. You can add one more layer between 50 and 61, and then final layer you can add between 78 to 100, right? And then if you did that, you will hit 4,800. You will sweep 4,800, and then you have stop loss at 50, right? So yeah. Market got no fuel. Exactly, my friend. 4 minutes. Hourly. Last pop and then crash. Like... Why not enter 4,810? Because I'm not sure it's gonna go there. I'm not sure it's gonna go there, my friend. Not sure if it's gonna go there. Look for a time frame. I did look for a time frame. You're at the 50% right now. 50% right now. 92.30. Previous support turn into resistance. 4 hour full. Bottom wick right here. 804. Daily. Tilt. 05. Volatility is slow for now. Yes. Last pop, come on, gold. We are 30 pips away from the entry, guys. Two minutes. And the hourly will close like this. Last pop and then. Bye, go to work. All right, see you, Alex. Take care. Do you have your trade set? Do you have your trade set? Your limit set? Your stop loss set? There we go. Hourly closed. Last pop. Come on, guys. Very small candle here. Very big candle and then very tiny candle. Last pop here. Come on. Yeah, Mel, but then in 1 hour, Trumbull tweets, "No ceasefire," or Iran said like, "We never agreed to do that." Remember when Trump said that there will be some kind of agreement, and then Monday Iran said there's no agreement. Like, all bullshit. Okay, guys, you ready? This is it. This is it. It is 6 p.m. Last pop here. Get our entry. And then let's take the profit. Come on. We are less than 30 pips. We're less than 20 pips away from entry. Pop, last pop, last pop, last pop. Less than 10 pips away from entry, guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Chenzo K just subscribed for 3 months in a row. We back, baby.
Denzak, thank you for the 4 months subscription with Prime. We're back, baby. We sure are here. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get the entry. Stop sound very loud. I'm sorry about that. I will change it after the stream. 0.4 pips away. Oh. We need a blow up top here. It was 0.4 pips away from entry. Gonna move entry to 92, guys. 92. Because we barely hit it. We barely hit it. So the next one will be a little pop. 92, okay? 92. Almost got it. We almost got it on 91. So since we tapped 90, I guess you would expect a 20 pip, 30 pip pop after this when you blow off the top. Oh, 92 is better. That's also where I have my 0.38 level. So let's... minutes until 15-minute closing. We get a bearish candle, we get a blow off top. Perfect. Even better if we can retest the hourly gap first. If you can tap here, so we don't have to test it later, but just smash straight through it, that'll be better. So if you can close bearish here, test it, and then come up, blow off top, and then come down. I didn't sell it. No, if next, next, I'm also not in. I'm not on. We didn't hit it. We didn't hit it, man. Didn't hit it. It's loud so everyone knows what's up. What's up? Guys, you know this one? What's up? I need water, guys. Oh, wait. Okay, wait. Okay, I cannot go now. I need to hydrate. Staff tells me I have to do it. Come on. Yeah, how small the candles are now. Starting to look a little bit like a top. I will enter lower if it does not hit 92. Hey Orbits, hey Sanok, thank you for the subscription. Thank you for the resubscription, my friend. Which market opens 2 hours before New York session? No, it's just a transition from the New York session to the Asia session. When the stock market slowly closes and New York session slowly closes, people tend to take profit. And when move has been moving so volatilely to the upside, then people tend to take profit, right? So I think there's a lot of big market makers who would take some profit, which could take gold down to 4,500 or lower. So I'm trying to see if we can catch here. There we go. We tapped into the family gap. Perfect. Since we tapped into the family gap, guys, that means we don't have to worry about this family gap if we come up and blow off the top here. So that means the next family gap will be more likely if we come down, right? Go. Just waiting for a last tap here. I realized every evening at 10 p.m. AEDT price shoots. Yep. 6 p.m. my time. You can see here, bro. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. 6 p.m. It hit your zone, but with limit order, it has to go above 91 to trigger. Yeah, I know. I know, Ven. I know. That's what I hate about limit orders. It's like, you know, sometimes spread takes you, or spread doesn't take you, and sometimes it's like slipperage, and sometimes it just, you know, it's just bad luck that you put it like right there, but then it hits that zone, but it doesn't take you with it, right? But now, if we close bearish here, I would expect one more blow off top, but that will probably go 10 to 30 pips up. That's why I changed it from 91 to 92 instead. We have to see. This has to close bearish here in 6 minutes, and then if we can get a last top here. Oh, pop it. But yeah, guys, I will get some water. I'll get some water. Staff. Hydration. Dehydration. Well, guys. Well, 0.4 pips away, huh? 0.4 pips away. First real bearish candle here. Wait, really? 1, 6. Nah, you are lying. You are lying, Savage. 6. Stop lying. Like a child. Good call, but missed by a whisker. It is what it is. Wang. Still gonna get it, man. Just wait for it to close berries and then a blow up top. One more. One more retest. Come on, baby. Need a berries closure in 1 minute. And then a blow off top. Could have given you 150 pips already. What a day. What's up? What a day. At least I'm still holding my 43 position. Right here. If I didn't have this one, I would not have anything. I wouldn't have anything. If this goes all the way down, at least I got my 43%. First trade? Yes, Josh. Hi, Josh. Nice to see your live stream. We missed my entry by 0.554 pips. So we moved the entry to 92 instead. Because when you close berries like this, you oftentimes get a wick fill or a blow off top. And if you get a blow off top, it goes like 10 to 30 pips. So coming up and tapping the 50% or at least tapping the 0.38 would make sense. Break 75 will likely drop further. Yeah, we don't want to drop 75 without us going. We want a little blow up top, okay? Just a little bit like a pop, bang, boom, bam, boom, woo, woo, you know, like that. You want something like this. Saf, for the first time you heard the full song today on VIP. Oh my god, it was funny, man. You from Germany? No, I'm not from Germany, bro. But ich bin immer geil und knallen mit dem Tür. Ja? Amusing. Hish. Rakan. We missed the VIP with what was it? It was here 70 200 pips. Goldie from Jupiter. Yeah. From Jupiter. Come on, give us one more, like little tap, little blow off top, baby. Hi, I just entered. Can you tell me what you're doing? I'm waiting for my entry here at 92, bro. We came up to 90.6. I had an entry at 91. Then because we got the Sparrows candle, I was expecting a blow off top, so I changed my entry to 92 because it goes like 10 to 30 pips, right? And yeah, I tapped my zone, and it was so close. So if you're in here, bro, I would say your first TP should be 65. But the next, if you want to extend it a little bit, it could be 43 here, right? But 65 is right here, and the reason for that is because there's a fair value gap here and there's an order block here. So if price comes down below 65, it will most likely tap into this previous resistance that now will turn support, right? So you could have a little bit of resistance here now being support. And also you have the MAs here coming a little bit up here, so you could have some kind of trouble here. So the safe thing would be to take TB1 at 65, but I have my like first real level at 4,700, right? If we get it, But of course we're gonna trail stop loss if we move 200 pips. First time in the live extreme car. Well, welcome to the stream, bro. Did you get this, or are you still waiting for that blow off top? Let's get it, guys. Come on. Last pop. Guys, I'm gonna have a sell stop below here in case we don't get it. Okay, I'm gonna have a sell stop below here. So if price suddenly flips and comes all the way down here and it takes out 71, then we're gonna be in with tight stop loss above here. Okay, so I will let you know, but hopefully we're gonna get a last pop here. Hopefully we can get a last pop, so we don't have to get that entry. I really don't want it, but seems like we are starting to create resistance here. Maybe we won't get that blow off top. Okay. Okay, might get it. Come on, guys, we are 100 pips away, 90 pips away. Going to 91. Hopefully, man. We can get that blow up top, though. Birdie still looks fresh. Having liquidity to both sides. Slowing down now. 8 minutes until the 30-minute closure. What we want to see is a blow up top here and then come down and close bearish on the 30. If we come up here and we close bullish here, then it's a lost cause. Then it's really gonna be, it's gonna be 800. It'll be 800. We are so close, guys. We barely missed it with 0.4 pips here. It's so annoying. Can it go up after 4,700? Of course, man. Of course it can. It can just be a retest. But I'm expecting 4,500 if it goes down. And further. And further. If it can come down close, like bearish below 4,500 and use 4,500 as a resistance, not a support, then we're good to go for 4,000, 3,500. But it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. Seven minutes. And filled the gap here. Momentum, the top, creating resistance here. Let me just I should have gotten that like 0.4 pips. $15 closes bullish here. There's still a slight chance. 30 minutes shown rejects. I know, man. I know, bro. I know, bro. A 30-minute also showed rejection here, by the way. Oh, you're not gonna get it, are you? Gonna get in much lower. A sell stop. As always. Alright guys, I'm setting it up. Sell stop. Sell stop is gonna be 72. 72, okay. Stop loss just above the high. So this one we have to forget about it for now. Okay, we have to forget about that for now. Sorry, we were 0.4 pips away. So sell stop is gonna be 4,072. And stop loss is just going to be just above the high, okay? Very tight stop loss, okay? 4,792. Just... It sucks, but it is what it is. It is what it is, okay? It is what it is. Maybe we'll go in the morning. Yeah. But we are not here in the morning. That will be trouble. That will be trouble. That will cause trouble. I have to trail my stop loss, guys, once we hit the fair value gap, just because this could be making one more high here. But if it blows through, then we can get TB1, okay? All right. Have you set your sell stops, guys? Have you set your sell stops? Let me know. First trade. First trade on Twitch. First trade on Twitch. Damn, we were so close. We're so close on VIP. So close today on Twitch. Let's see. Let's see. Next, are you ready for this sell stop? If you don't know how to make the sell stop, then just sell at 72, okay? Monster math, top candle. Yeah, I will say that. It looks like a top candle for now. We have sell stop just below here. You can see here, if I measure. This here, bro. Look at this. Just below the 200, right? 200 here, and then just below. Okay, 200. Alright, guys, brace yourself. Brace for impact. Hydration is important. Let's do it. Anybody gonna join me on this trade? Or no? I short crypto shitcoins. Nice. Right now we are trying to trade the gold. Not quite crypto, but it's fun. Especially when gold goes the direction we want. Then it's really fun. Ooh, that looks so much more clean. So much. Can I match this? No, I cannot. If I can make it like just like this, I can put this. Oh, that looks clean. Look at that. I like that. All right. Let's go. Time to shine. Gold is nice. I made 3K with one trade with $250. Let's go, monster. Guys, either this is gonna come up to the 92, 95 level, or this is gonna go down to my sell stop and it's gonna activate us, and most likely going down to the fabric gap at 58, and then we will see what's gonna it does from there. If it starts going up again and we reach 83, something like that, well, I will start having the previous trade again. Then you're gonna delete your sell stop, and then you're just gonna focus on the first trade. I join. Let's go, Dylan. Let's see your magic. Extreme. Let's see. We're not in the sell stop yet, extreme. So we're not in a trade yet, okay? I would rather prefer the 92 entry, okay? But I can't guarantee it. I cannot guarantee it because we made a really nice Varys 15 golf in there. And it is engulfed because you can see at the top wick took out the whole move. And then we came down, filled the entire fabric gap. So would be nice with a final blow off top, but I cannot guarantee it. I cannot guarantee it. How did the 30 close? Oof, that looks sexy. What we like to see. What is? I'm hoping for the market to hunt B at 92. I'm in. You're hoping for market to go up to 92 so we can get in? Okay, guys, if it starts moving up here, we can delete the sell stop. We can focus on the first trade again. We haven't tapped our sell stop. We're not in any trades. Okay? Patience is key. We still got 30 minutes left until we should, you know, start to slow down in volume unless we get a crash, right? Let's see. All right. We might get our entry, guys. Let's see. Back at 80. Okay, let's delete the sell stop for now. Let's go back to our original entry. See if we can get it, guys. Much better entry if you can get it. Okay, guys, so you delete your sell stop. Have your sell limit ready. 92. 92, okay? Low up top. 92, 93, and then down. Worst case, 95 and 800 if it really, really wants to blow off the top, right? And see, the XY still holding that support. Oil still holding that support. And futures and silver still chilling at my trend line. Gold and futures still chilling at my trend line. Okay. All right. Final chance here. Come on, gold. Goldie, be good to us. 83, guys. 100 pips away from entry. Come on. We are 80 pips away from entry, guys. Have your limits ready. Have your trades ready. I'm ready. We're ready. We're ready. Get it. I would say, Cookie, you came at the right time. We are waiting for this sell limit here at 92. Waiting for the sell limit here at 92. Okay, guys. Come on, 80 pips away from entry. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Give us that blow off top. $80 pips away. Rakan, Mill, Cookie, Extreme, Gillian, Willick, Vino, Sayat, Bingo, Captain, You guys ready? Bim, Josh, Wang. So close. So close. And I rather want the sell limit than I want this sell stop. To be honest. Ready? Yes. Let's. Almost out. We're at 7 p.m. sip. You have 20 minutes now. You come up here, blow off the top, and then come down. Okay. 20 minutes. If you close bullish here on the hourly, then you're closing right before 4,800, and that's not good. Because then the hourly looks bullish, right? Just need a quick wake up here, blow off the top, and then down. Guys, if it starts going down again, you know what it is. Then we have sell stop down here. Not going to be 72 because now the EMA is coming up here, so it's going to be 71. Look at that. I sold one lot already. Nice. I got a second rejection here. Ooh, that 30 looks juicy. That 30 looks juicy. Look at that. Oh man, it's at the 7-8 level. The war is just horrible because you need to have stop loss above 4,800. And 4,810 might be a sweep, or 4,805, right? So I put it 15. Fuck it, guys. I'm gonna have two sells. I'm gonna have this one, and I'm gonna have one more. I'm selling now. 82. 82, okay? 82. All right. So here's the deal. We're selling both here, right? Okay. Not both. Sorry, we're selling the first one here, 82. All right. Second trade is gonna be the 92 one. Here's the deal. If we come up and we tap 93, we lose 100 pips, right, on this trade here. Okay. But then we enter this trade here, and then we have our stop loss here. Okay. That's the deal. So if you go down now, we missed 92. We had 0.4 pips away. We had a beautiful 15-minute closure here. 30-minute came up, rejected. 30-minute came up to the 0.78 level and the 0.50 level and rejected again. And the hourly looks like it's grabbing liquidity to both sides. It looks like the volume is fading out here. We have some kind of like trend line positioning here, right? Came into the zone, not once, not twice, not 3 times, 4 times. Rather to get in at 72 and have a horrible risk to reward, then I would like to get in at 82, and then we can have the 92 as our next one. Okay, we have 2 trades. All right, 2 trades. So trade number 1, the limit. Trade number 2, okay, till now. Okay, all right. If you don't like it, you don't have to take it. Totally fine. You can also wait for 92. All right, I'm taking it. Stop loss is going to be just above. It's going to be 93. So it comes up, taps us in, but it hits this stop loss. We're not risking too much. Okay. There we go. And then you only need a few pips for this one because the stop loss is literally 110 pips, right? So what you need is a little bit more than 110 pips. So if we can come down, just tap into the family gap here at 58. Well, I would be satisfied with just having D68, right? That's gonna give you like almost 200 pips, 66, okay? Almost 200 pips. I'm not saying that this is gonna be our TP. I'm just saying that I will trail stop loss around this level here, okay? This is gonna be my first real TP, and then we have this one, right? Okay. So everybody understands what I said. Sell limit 92. Sell now 82. Okay. That's it. Trade 2. Okay. This is trade 1 because we haven't entered the other one. Trade 1. And trade 2. In case if it happens. If it happens. Right? So this is what we're looking at. This is what we're looking at, guys. Right, let's see. See if we can come down and tap TB1. I'm gonna just change these. A little bit easier for you to see what's going on. Phoenix, are you with me on this one as well? You understand what I'm saying? Got 2 trades. We have sell limit that's coming up. If it hits, if it taps. And then we have the entry right now here at 82. Okay? Alright. So if you can hold below here, we're not gonna come up and sweep here. Not gonna come up and take a last like blow off top. Then if it just comes down here into the family gap, well then you have your first trade. If it comes up, blow off the top, then you have your second trade. Okay? Is the resistance at 82 too strong? It's not really 82, it's more like 85, but I'm not sure we're gonna come up to 85 because you can see here we came up here to 83, 84, and then 85 here, and then now we're coming a little bit down, right? So it was not the 82, it was more like the 85. I just saw that we were straight under here, and I could see 2 rejections here. I could see the 30 looks so juicy. The 1 hour is still taking liquidity to the both sides, so we took liquidity to upside. Now we're expecting price to come down and take liquidity to downside, right? We have this family gap here that still haven't been mitigated right here. Okay? This is what I'm looking at, guys. Last liquidity, last volume for the day. Let's see if we can make some magic. Slow day today, I know. I came live very, very late because I had to stay on VIP. So we're in, guys. We're in. And if we don't have a reaction before the 7 p.m. in 13 minutes, don't have reaction, then I have to go offline. But you have your levels. You have all the levels, okay? And you can tell me how it went on Discord. If the 1 hour closes below 84, we will be good, I think. Just got in 84. Nice, Arnoldson. I'm in at 82. Long time no seen. Hey Nick, what's up, man? How's it going? We're in here at 82, Nick, and we have a second trade at 92. If it goes there.
Nah, don't try it. Don't try it. Nah, don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try it. Don't try it. No, don't try it. Don't try it.
But yeah, we did trade late today, guys. So we have we don't have a lot of volume. Do not have a lot of volume. Not have a lot of volume. Letter. 11 minutes, guys. I expect a reaction. If I don't get a reaction, then
Try it.
just gonna keep the stop losses and call it a day, right?
Nah, don't try it. Don't try it. Nah, don't try it. Don't try it. Nah, don't try it. Don't try
Oh,
it.
very little volume. The people who were having buys from 4,200, 4,400, they should, in theory, they should take profit here between 7 and 11, right? Before the market closes. Will you leave this trade running until Asia? Yeah, I will. I will, bro. And also, I will hold it overnight if you can come down and close below 65. But the last hour before the market closes, we should see a we should see profit taken. We should see profit taken because we rallied through London, Asia, and New York session. When that happens, Asia often sells. Not always, but often. Very often. Very often because they take profit, right? We should see some profit taken. We're starting to see a little bit here. Starting to see a little bit of movement here. Okay. Alright, back at entry here. Okay. Can take out my EMA here to 76. Come down here to this family gap here. 58. Right. If we come down and take out this level here, guys, I will delete the sell limit, okay? And we just let this go. Little bit of move. 9 minutes until the 7-minute closure. In theory, we should close below here if we're bearish. Right? We should close below here if we're bearish. In theory. Because then the 30-minute doesn't look so bullish. The hourly closes bearish and the 15-minute creates a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower, but it's on the lower time frame for now, right? Expect volatility during Asia session, guys, because Asia session, London session, and New York session went up. That means you're either gonna have serious profit taken during Asia session, or you will just have consolidation, and then London session will be where we move. So I'm gonna stay up for the Asia session for the first 1 to 2 hours, see if they're taking profit. If not, and they're just consolidating, then I will highly assume that London session will bring it down to take profit, or New York sessions up, then push it up again. But then we will have to retest 4,500. Because now 4,500 will be, in theory, 4,500 would be support now, if we're going up. If we're going up. But it's all speculation, guys. It's all speculation. Nobody knows where the actual top is. But it's speculation based off higher time frame levels, key levels, and value gaps. 50%, 0.618 level, and supply and demand, right? And trend zone. See, we're here, right, guys? We're here, right? So if we can go down on futures, we can go down on gold, then we can go down on silver, and we can go down on futures, and then we can go up on oil, and then we can go down on DXY. Sorry, go up on DXY. We should not break. If we break the support zone, then it's not good. Then it's not. I don't really want oil to go higher up, guys, but we need it for gold to go lower, right? That's the thing. I don't want it, but it's what makes us money for this trade and for the sell setups. I messaged you with your team yesterday on Telegram, and today still waiting for response. Oh, okay, Kogi. What is your name on Telegram? I will reach out to them and let them know. You guys, 6 minutes. 6 minutes. We don't want to close up here. Definitely don't want to close bearish. Sorry, we definitely don't want to close bullish or doji. We want a bearish candle. Rado, thank you. Yeah, okay. I will let them know. Five minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Patience is key. Patience is key. Patience is key. Four minutes. Board looks doji. I get a push here. Last few minutes on the hourly can change the situation. Still bearish, but it's not a lot. Not a lot. Very low volume here, guys. Very low volume. As I told you, we'll give it the first 5 minutes of the hourly here, and then I will keep my trades, and you can let me know how it goes in Discord later tonight, or do an Asia session when we start to move. Three minutes. Come on, Goldie. Can't stay extra 10 minutes. I can stay for another 8 minutes, my friend. Wait, let me just see how far the wife is with the food, okay? God damn it, guys. He says I can stay for another 20 minutes. Darn! Alright, guys, we get a little bit of movement here. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Looks like we're gonna close doji here. But we're gonna close like doji with, you know, a rejection candle. This is usually a bearish sign. When we spend the whole hour pushing up, but then eventually we closed like here. Means there are still sellers pushing price down. Let's see here. We don't want a big bullish hourly candle. We just want a slightly doji. Because now it will be difficult to get a bearish candle. 1 minute. Minute. Yeah, it's gonna close doji. All right, that's a bearish signal for me. Let's see here how the hourly is gonna push now. The whole hour we tried to move up, but we got stopped by sellers, and then we created this top wick here, and we also got some liquidity. So if we can start to move down now, that will be bearish. Let's see. We can hold here. Otherwise, we're gonna enter for the sell limit. Go here. $87 now, guys. 87. $88. Look at this. Very little volume candle here. Tiny bullish volume candle. 88. We are 60 pips in drawdown at the moment, guys. Let's see if we can get a second entry. We have 2 trades. Getting that blow off top there. Seems like it's rejecting at 89. Can you come back down below the trend line? Or see? It would open below the trend line here because you're still holding here at 88. If you come down with a red candle here, then you have a top wick here. Let's see. $90. Okay, here we go, guys. Our entry is here at 92 for the sell limit. We tap it. Tap it. We got 92, but I'm not sure if people got in with spread. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get in? Did you get it? I'm not sure if the spread was enough. No, it hit 91.9, right? 92.02. Wait. Great, I'm in. Okay. My broker got me in. In. Some people got in. In. Okay, 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 okay. Alright, okay. So we have 2 trades. We have 2 trades, guys. Okay. So we are in this one here. Activated. Trade 2. Activated. And we did not hit the stop loss on the first trade. Great. The 92. Okay, great. Great, 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 great. So we have 2 trades now. So this is your first trade. Sorry, this is your second trade. And this was your first trade. 82. So some people hit with their brokers. Are you sure you're not in, Fem? Who is not in? Who's not in the trade yet? Who's not in the trade yet? Who's in at 82? Who's in at 92? Okay, now we're in. Now we're in. Now we're in. Let's see if we hit stop loss in the first trade here. We're all in now. Alright, alright, alright. So let's see here if we hit stop loss on the first trade here. If we hit stop loss on the first trade, then you got the better entry here, guys. But then we have to put a little bit bigger TP so we can recover from it. Too close. 92.9. Ah. Okay, first trade hit stop loss, guys. First trade hit stop loss. So we are out of this one. That's 110 pips. That's 110 pips. But we have our second entry, much better entry. And then what we can do is we can add those 110 pips to the TP. So what we're going to do, instead of giving you from 92 to 65, which is 300 pips, then you just lost 100 pips there. So we can put 55 instead. Still in the fair gap, still 58, right? So this trade will give you 400 pips. That gives you 300 pips plus an additional 110 pips from the loss we just had, right? Okay. So this is the trade. That's the trade, guys. And now let's see. Let's see. Final trade. Final attempts. Stop loss just above 800. All right. Let's see. Oh. This is the 50% on the higher time frame, and this is the 0.3 level on the lower time frame. Okay. So this is it. This is it. If you win this trade, you get on TV1 400 pips, and you get your 110 pips back. Okay. So, trade 1. Minus 110 pips. Trade 2. Let's see. Now or never gold. It's now or never. We should just have kept 92, guys. We should just have kept 92, 91. I thought it would look like the 30-minute here rejected. In the 30-minute here, right? It was here. It was at the 0.618 level and the 0.78 level. So it looked like we were tapping into that zone again, and then we were rejecting. But then the hourly actually closed above here, and the 30-minute also closed above here. So not yet done. All good. We gotta see. We gotta see. Okay. Next, are you in? Are you in? Everybody in? I can remove deactivated. Everybody knows we're in here. In. Nice. Let's see, guys. We are currently moving 20 pips. Currently moving 20 pips. I got in first a little late, so my stop loss is 94. Still have 2 trades going. Oh, nice letter. Nice, nice. What about you, Arnold? $92 is not active? What do you mean, Daddy? We went up to 93.3. If you're not in that trade, you have the most horrible broker in the world. I'm sorry. Check out our broker. What the actual, like, if you're not in with 1.3, that's 13 pips. Typo? Oh, sorry, you mean, okay, I'm sorry. Oh, wow, okay. That's on me, not on you. I hope there are no new beginners who actually put 999, 92. Oh my god. I hope there were actually no new beginners who were like putting 992. All extra lurker, lurker, that's yep, that's embarrassing.
Get shit on, brother.
Yo, Vandalid, thank you for the follow. You can just make it. You are 30 pips late, my friend. 30 pips late. You still can make it if you want to get in for the sell, but you're gonna have a little bit bigger stop loss than us. Little less. What a time to log on. Don't worry, market's been making a joke out of me too for this 1st of April. It's April Fools, my friend. You know what? April Fools, that could be, you know what could be crazy, guys? April Fools will take us to 5,600 and then be like, nope. And then down again to 4,000. Can you imagine? I'm joking. I'm brand new, just observing and learning. Nice, Vandalate. Happy for you, man. Let's see, guys. We're currently moving 40 pips.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, Mr. Gio. Nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. We're in a sell from 4,792. Trading is brutal. Trading is brutal, my friend. It really is, especially with Trump on board. And with the Fed changing from Jerome Powell to Kevin Wash, and with the Ukraine and the Iran and the Israel and the USA war and the World War III and the oil problem and the terrorists and basically everything. Yeah. How's gold going? Well, we're in the sell. Currently, it's okay. 40 pips. 40 pips. We took 110 pips loss on the first trade, so hopefully we can get the full TP1 here. In this fair value gap, there's a fair value gap here at 58. And we have an order block here, so we can come down, fill that fair value gap. That will take us into TP1. Let's see. But yeah, guys, I will hold this trade. I will hold this trade for Asia. It seems like gold is out of fuel and needs some kind of retest, some kind of reversal, right? Not saying it's gonna be big or anything like that, but at least, you know, 4,700, 4,600, if not 4,500. We are due for a reverse. If this thing wants to continue higher, right? My question is it Easter for you too as tomorrow? Guys, is it Easter tomorrow? Will the market be closed? Whole Easter. NCD, ORD. No, only NCD and ORD, right? And CAT. No. Market is not closed. No. Only NCD, GBP. Market's closed, right? What do you mean, Lurker? What are you talking about, brother? Bro, this is Friday. We have average hourly earnings, we have NFP, and we have unemployment rate. It's only CAT, GBP, and Euro that is closed. There's no USD closed. Okay, guys, we're moving a little bit here. We are moving 80 pips. Let's get those 110 pips back and then also hit TP1. Okay, guys? GG. Monster Marv. Vizia. Hey, Vizia. How's it going, man? We're currently in a sell, Vizia, from 92. We have TP at 4,755. Guys, 83. We're moving 90 pips. We need the song. Let's go!
Let's go!
Appreciate everything today. See you next week. My wife said dinner's ready. Let's put your TPs, okay? Put your TPs. Go risk free. Be careful with your stop loss and everything, okay? All right. We'll put everything. My wife also wants me to eat dinner, but I got 12 more minutes. 12 more minutes. 30 to flip here, bro. Just need to come down to this family gap here. Bye. Thank you. Tim, are you still in? You still in, man? Need to eat? You need to eat? All right. I'll see you, fam. Here. Everybody needs to eat now. Guys, can you stay for 11 more minutes with me? 11 more minutes. I didn't take the first trade, so I am only in profit. GG. 70 viewers? Wow, I remember when there was like 20 viewers max. Yeah, good times, bro. Right? And I remember this year when you were very active in the Discord. What happened, bro? We miss ya. We miss ya. I'm in this trade with you, silly me. Let's go. I'm here. Arnoldson, let's go. Are you in 92? Are you in 92, bro? Bro, if they want to eat instead of making money, holy, I'm in, man. Let's go. Okay, guys. Getting a little bit of support from that EMA there, 82. But we are starting to see some kind of
Get shit
low
on,
top
brother.
here. Hey, Sayed, nice in live stream. Hope you're doing well. We are currently in a sell from 92. We are running 50 pips here. Market just reacted to the EMA here. So we have to see if we can break through it. Next EMA is going to be here at 66. And then we have our fair value gap here at 50. Let's see, guys. 10 more minutes. I didn't enter. When should I enter with little risk? You can, if you want very little risk, you can put stop loss just above here, because we are away from this top now. But my stop loss is 15, because I have to be protected from the 0.6 level, 78 level, the 100%, 4,800, and also if there is a sweep here at 10 or 5, right? I just put it above all the levels here. I believe 4,800. It should hold below that, but of course 4,800 is like psychology number, so if it wants to, it's gold, you know. I have to check on my wife, guys. Alright, I have to go in 10 minutes, guys. I really have to go in 10 minutes. I enter 87. Stop is 91. Ooh, okay. So you are counting on that this high will not be taken out? No, not even. You're counting that this high will not be tested. You might want to start another hour later tomorrow, lol. Nah, tomorrow, guys, we're gonna go live after the stock market open. $3.17 profit. Lol, I'm new. Mr. Geo, nice one, nice one. Any profit is good. Any profit is good. If you want to learn how to trade, or if you want signals, or if you want copy trading, well, you can reach out to my team. Just check over here. Over there. Or in text. But yeah, Twitch and Telegram and Discord is free. I'm still waiting for this fourth wave to be done, guys, so we can enter the fifth wave to come down to 3,500. But it seems like gold wants to extend. And it's driving the VIP crazy, it's driving me crazy, and it's probably driving some of you guys crazy as well. Oh! Damn, sweet, man. You gaga, shua gaga. Baby, how's it going, man? You in a sell? You in a sell, bro? We sold at 92, and we have a stop loss at 15. In the trade, let's go. Chewbacca. Alright, guys.
Welcome to Russia, сука!
Come on, whip it. Come down. Don't go up. No, no.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Stay below here. Stay below here, my friend. Okay, I stopped it. Plus $100. Really? Alright, high lot size, my friend. High lot size, my friend. Alright, guys. 60 pips. Go for. Let's see if we can take that EMA out. This has been a long day. Okay, guys, we are moving 80 pips. Once we take out the EMA, we can go risk-free. Then we're ready with the TB, okay? To partial at 82 and leaving the rest to run. This roadblock is so strong. Yeah. It's like there's a man holding up, you know, this EMA. Right? Holding it. Right? He's holding it right there. When to be once we take out this EMA, bro. Once we take out this EMA. Because currently 82 is holding. Gotta take out 82, 80. Then we can come down here and then I think it's gonna be like this. So then we can go risk free. Need that one to get break. Yep. 4 minutes, guys, then the 30 is gonna close. I'll have to go after this, so yeah. I have to go risk-free in 4 minutes. Still running 50 pips. Come on, can we break it? Come on. Very low volume. I'm not seeing people taking profit yet. It's almost 8 now. Like 3 hours before the market closes. People should start taking profit. They made really good buys from 4,100, 4,300, 4,500. If they want to take profit, they should take profit now. Or they're waiting for 5,000. People are greedy. Here we go. 70 pips, guys. Guys, I gotta go risk free in 3 minutes. Gotta go risk free in 3 minutes. Two minutes. It was good catching up with you, Future Opus. Alright, I'll see you, Lurker. Did you take some good trades today? Take some good trades today? Yesterday, 800 pips. Giving them back today? Yeah. Guess what it is, man. Okay, guys, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. We need a big push down. Yeah. We need a big push down, bro. Oof. Okay, okay. 1 minute. We're running 70 pips here. Volatility and volume is coming in. Maybe people are starting to take profit now. Buyers are weak. They can suck my fat one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go risk-free here. I'm gonna go risk-free. Gonna go risk-free. Take partial here, please. Take partial here. 83. 83, 82. Okay. Alright. So, that is 90 to 100 pips. Okay. 90 to 100 pips. Gonna go risk-free. Stop loss as break even. 91.8. Okay. We had sell what it's called, sell limit. So that means you are in exactly at 92. Don't tell me you're not in at 92, okay? So risk free will be stop loss at BE 4,791.8, okay? Don't put it lower. If you put it lower, you're probably gonna hit BE, okay? All right. Okay, risk free, let's go. You got 90 to 100 pips here on partial. Still struggling a little bit with this EMA. This is going to be your first test here in the fair value gap at 58. Then you got the 700, and then you got the 4,520. Okay, if you take out this bottom, comes down here, and then we can test it down here, right? At 4,427 or 4,493. Okay. You might have caught the top, you might not, and this will continue down tomorrow, but at least you can get some profit from this, okay? So, guys, risk-free, and I'll go. See you guys. Take care. Have a good one. Reach out to my team if you want to join copy trading, or if you want to join VIP, or if you want to join the academy or anything. Reach out to them. Let them know. All right, guys. See you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Seen anybody do the things you do